Ever walk into your home and feel like it's just a bit too full? Not dirty, just cluttered. You're not alone. Most of us have way more stuff than we need, and it can sneak up on us fast. But here's the thing, decluttering isn't just something you do when you're moving. It can totally change how you feel in your space right now. I'm Scott Leggett with Blue Coast Realty here in Sarnia, and today I'm going to share 7 reasons to declutter your home, even if you're not selling yet. Let's get into it. Number 1, you'll actually enjoy your home more. It's simple. When your space is clear, your mind is clear. You actually relax without piles of stuff silently stressing you out from the corners. It just feels better. Number 2, cleaning gets way easier. Less clutter means fewer things to clean around or under. No more moving stacks of mail or random decor just to dust. Tidying becomes quick and painless. Number 3, you might find things you forgot you had. Decluttering isn't just about throwing things out. You'll probably rediscover things you forgot about, like that missing phone charger, a favorite hoodie, or even a bit of cash in an old jacket pocket. Number 4, you can finally ditch the big stuff you never use. Got an old couch in the basement or a broken appliance in the garage? Here in Sarnia, James Property Solutions is great for junk removal. You can use portable storage if you need a temporary holding space, and if you're doing a bigger clear out, the Waste Depot is a helpful local drop-off. Number 5, it makes moving in the future way easier. Even if selling isn't on your radar, someday you might move. And when that time comes, you'll thank yourself. Less clutter now means way less stress later. Number 6, a tidy home shows way better if you ever decide to sell. We see this all the time. Buyers want to see a space, not your stuff. A clean, decluttered home makes a huge difference in how your property is perceived and how quickly it sells. Number 7, it just feels good. You don't have to do it all in one weekend. One drawer, one closet at a time. Every little bit gives you a sense of progress, and that fresh, open feeling, totally worth it. So whether you're thinking about moving someday or just want to enjoy your space more right now, decluttering is one of the best things you can do. If you're in the Sarnia-Lambton area and ever want to talk real estate, whether it's now or years from now, we're always happy to help.